Hi there students, we are starting to new chapter, ratio proportion, and we are going to continue with some definitions of the ratio. And let me remind about the ratio when you studied in 7th grade. If we say, let's say class of student 25. There are 25 students, and here 15 girls and 10 boys. So with respect to this one, the ratio of boys to girls, when we say, we are writing the number of boys in the fraction, we are changing into fraction to 10, then we are writing to down 15, okay, and this is 10 over 15, boys to girls ratio it becomes. There is another way to mention this one also. You can mention like this, 10 to 15. And after this step, you may simplify by the common number, divide by 5 here. So when you divide by 5, this is going to be equal to 2, and this is going to be equal to 3. And this is the ratio boys to girls. And if you want to apply another ratio like girls to class, it should be 15 divided by 25, and that's equal to also, we are going to show 15 over 25 like this. Okay, so here 15 to 25, if you simplify, it's going to be equal to 3 divided by 5 going to be. Okay, let's continue with this subject now. I defined from the beginning, and let's see what is the thing here. The ratios with more than 2 parts. This time we are going to. Here there are different color of flags. There are 3 type of colors: red to green to blue flag. So first I'm going to write the number of red flag, then green flag, and then blue flag. So if I count one by one, first I'm going to count red flag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 red flags. 9 red flags. So the green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green flags. And 1, 2, 3 blue flags. So the ratio of red to green to blue is 9 divided by 6 divided by 3. It's going to be, if we have chance to simplify by 3, I'm going to divide all of them by 3, and the result it's going to be here divided by 5. It's going to be, so all of them, they are going to be equal to 3 to 2 to 1, because all they are divisible by 3. Okay, let's see the exercise here. A bag contains 50 bar of chocolate, 25 of them milk chocolate, 15 are dark chocolate, 10 of them white chocolate. So work out the ratio. White chocolate, this is the first one. Then the milk chocolate, this is the second one, and this is the third one. It's going to be, with respect to our order, the last one, dark chocolate, it must be. So the ratio of them, it's going to be equal to 10 to 25 to then 15 it should be. All they are divisible by 5, and the result it's going to be equal to 10 divided by 5, it's equal to 2, 25 divided by 5, it's equal to 5, and 15 divided by 5, it's going to be 3. We are going to continue with ratios containing units, and sometimes a ratio involves measurement. To simplify, we have to make the units same. That's the important one here. Of course, in the ratio, we are not going to write, in the final ratio, we are not going to write the units. Here, Nelson measures 2 pieces of wood. One of them is 75 centimeter long, the other one is 2 meter long. So centimeter and meter, they are not in same form, so I mean, they're not same unit. That's why we are going to convert one of them, either centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter. But we are going to, I think, I want to convert meter to centimeter. So we know that from the previous chapters, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It's going to be. So it means that 2 meter is going to be 2 times 100 centimeter, which is equal to 200 centimeter. It's going to be. So the ratio of smaller to longer, it's not mentioned here which one we are applying. One of them to their length, it says, I'm going to write first the smaller one. 75 divided by 200 is ratio of their lengths. It's going to be. And here also I can divide these are by 25. This one divided by 25, it's going to be equal to, if I divide by 25, it's going to be equal to 3 divide by 25, it's going to be equal to 8. So this is the final step. The ratio of them also can be written like 3 to 8. So here the important part in the final ratio, we are not going to mention their units. And this is the last question about the video. Arina, Sunisa and Bervi shared a sum of money in the ratio 5, 3 and 2. Write the fraction. What fraction did they each receive? Now here, when we write the fraction form, it's going to be A over B. Actually, A values I know. This is the A value, this is the A value, this is the A value. What about the B value? How to find the B value? That's the important part here. What is the B value? B is the sum of these numbers. It's going to be, which means B is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2. It's going to be, and B is equal to 10 going to be. So with respect to that one, if we write the 5, 3, 2 in fraction form, 5 over 10 it's going to be, and then 3 over 10 and 2 over 10 is going to be. If we simplify with common numbers, this is going to be simplified by 5, so it's going to be equal to 1 over 2. This cannot be simplified, so you're going to leave like 3 over 10, and this can be simplified by 2, so it's going to be equal to 1 over 5. So these are the fraction form of each they receive.